Hi! If you are short on time and have a long list of emails to do, then this video will tell you how you can do more work in less time. So let's get started. We first need to create the fields which match the fields in an email inbox. An email normally has the following fields which are most commonly used: email to, subject, CC, and body text. The default email will already be included as the sender, so we will not talk about it now. First, let's fill out the fields with our information. Now, let's create a link of fields with the information using the hyperlink function. As soon as we type hyperlink in the formula bar, we see that a hint of syntax pops up, telling us that we first need to establish links and later give a friendly name to that link. We use the mail to link to create and send emails in Excel. With mail to, we link the recipient's address first. So we use ampersand to attach the cell with the recipient's address. Next, use ampersand again before attaching the next field and information. We type subject within commas since it is a string, and now attach it to another cell whose value it takes using an ampersand and clicking on the cell. In the same manner, we add another string CC and link a cell value to it. Next is the body text and its value. Lastly, we need to add a friendly name for our hyperlink. I write send email. This acts like a button. You will see how. Another thing to tell you is that if we need to add a line break in our body text, we insert %0a. Let's click the send email button and there you go. You have generated an email automatically from Excel with a single click. Now let's have a look at an application where you might need to use this automatic email. Suppose you have data of students who have applied for a college entrance exam. There are so many students that it would take lots of time to send emails individually. What you can do is create an Excel sheet with their information and send automatic emails by a single click. I have used a hyperlink with if conditional statement. The statement sends a congratulations email if the result is greater than 5 and an apology email if the result is under 5 score. We can also have separate text for the body as well. One formula can be dragged to all the cells, and in that manner, conditional emails can be sent instantly. Have a look at two different kinds of emails. The congratulations email. Another one is the apology email. Check out the different texts and recipients.